We just boarded. We're gonna do some quick tours at the kids club since this is the only time you can do them before the kids are in here. So we're starting here on deck 5. We got Entourage. This is the teen lounge area. Our kids are not old enough to be in here, but we can do a quick tour. They got air hockey in here, art corner, lots of chill seating. This is definitely a vibe if you're a teen. This is definitely a good spot to hang out. What do you think? Would you like this if you were a teen?
Yeah.
Yeah? Should we find your spot? All right, let's go find the kids club for our kids. All right, working our way down deck 5 here. See the Splash Academy up here. I believe that's where our kids are gonna be hanging out. First thing we need to do is get our kids registered. So that's what we're about to do here is get them registered. So you can see here, we're just waiting our turn. There's a couple families in front of us. We're all trying to get the things. It's not the quickest process. So I'm guessing if we came later, it's probably a super long line. So it's probably a good thing we're getting this done now. But just be aware that if you want to get registered, probably do this as soon as you get in the ship. All right, they got storage cubbies over here. Some more storage over here. Once they get all the kids registered and whatnot, I'm sure they use this every inch of this space. They said on our sign there's between 900 and 1,000 kids. Got some hopscotch here. All right, Kate showing us how it's done. Madden 20. That is an old Madden, isn't it? Trolls band together. Well, they might have newer ones too, but that is an old Madden. What do you think, guys? How's it look compared to like the last one we're on? Which is, it's a lot bigger. Got some video games, some more couches. It is kind of crazy wallpaper, isn't it? Got water fountains. They said they don't feed the kids in here so they can have water, but other than that, for allergy reasons, there's nothing they'll give them. So just heads up to make sure you've got your kids fed before you drop them off the kids club. Hopefully you'll be doing that anyways, but just something to be aware of. Exiting this way, we got some toys for the littlest ones over here. The littlest ones or my kids. Or Kate. Hey y'all, if this video has been helpful for you, if you'd please take a quick moment to like and subscribe, it would mean the absolute world to me as I get started on this YouTube journey. With that out of the way, let's get back to it. All right, we're coming up on Guppies, which is the last of those kids clubs, and this is for the littlest ones. Look at this. Guppies, River Rose Reading Room. All right, let's check it out. Hit that button to open. These mats and fun toys for them. Sit and spin. You might be a little bit big for that. Reading space here where they'll read them storybooks. I'm sure the kids love those.
Memories.
Memories, he says. All right, finishing that registration process, getting them the wristbands to wear the whole week. If they lose them, it's $5, Kate and Jackson, 5 big smackaroonies. So no losing them. All right, so there it is, guys. Splash Academy, we saw the Entourage Teen Club just a moment ago. So that is all of the amazing kids club spaces here on the Norwegian Encore. We're ready for 7 days of action-packed fun and excitement. We got an arcade up here. We'll go there in just a moment. This is all here in deck 5.